Today we wanted to show you the new collection of GANNI bags from our office. Personally, we think that they would make the perfect summer bag, especially if you're going on holiday or to a festival. Starting off with the nylon Baguette bag in baby blue. This is a super soft and squishy bag, really pleasing to touch, and has a really good thick strap which can comfortably sit on your shoulder. This bag is actually a really great size. It's deceiving. It's got 3 large pockets, and because it's not rigid, you can fit so much in it. Just showing you here how easily I fit my phone in. There's so much space. Next, we have the GANNI recycled shell tote, which is actually so much cuter in person. For some reason, I thought it would be bigger, but I think it stands out more for being small and boxy. But obviously, you can still get all your essentials in, such as your phone and your purse. It's got a drawstring pouch on the inside for all your belongings, and then a crossbody strap, so you can wear it dual ways. This bag is so good for summer with the pops of neon. Really loving this style, and it is such a good price point. Lastly, we have the recycled festival shell bag in a more rectangular shape. Here's the black in the classic GANNI leopard print. It has a little front zip pocket, which is really handy for your cards and your keys, and then a really spacious body of the bag. I really like the thick strap on this style, and it adjusted so easily. I think it would look really fab over your summer dresses too. Hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe to the My Bag channel.